So, friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I, Himanshu Sampath, consumer colleague. Again, I am bringing you a new review of 7 innovative products available in Amazon India. I would like to share you something before starting the review that lot of things are not available that way in our local markets. Like I live in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, but I hardly can have access to such innovative gadgets or products without Amazon. So Amazon has made it possible for us in a corner of the world to get those kind of products which make our life comfortable and easy. And if you have money and if you cannot use it to make your life comfortable and easy, what is the use of that money? So these products, they constantly work to make your life easy, and a lot of people are doing a lot of innovations and bringing a lot of innovative products to make your life more easy and more comfortable. I've ranked these products from 7th to 1st. So let us see these 7 innovative products available in Amazon India. I'll start with the 7th number product that I have ranked at 7th number. So at 7th number, according to me, is this Otrivin Breathe Clean. This is a nasal cleaner. You can very well open it. You can very well spray it in your nasals, both the nasals, and it claims that it will clean your nasals. As we know, we clean and we wash our body, but our nasals, they take a lot of pollution from environment, and this product helps us in cleaning that nasals. Let us see in detail how it is available in Amazon and what are its specifications.
So we can see Otrivin Breathe Clean Daily Nasal Wash, and it is costing around 297 rupees on Amazon. Here you can also go through its features. It's 100 ml bottle and washes away excess muscus or dust and pollen, cleans and moisturizes naturally. Now all this is available on Amazon, but I would like to share my practical experience. When I used it, I got a little bit of a headache. So maybe it depends on user to user. So this is something which like it penetrates inside your nasal, and maybe some people may get slight headache by using this. Anyway, it's an innovative product, so you can try it out once. And this product is available in Amazon, and we have ranked it at number 7 for us.
Guys, now I think you are very much excited to know which is the number 6 product. The sixth product, right, at number 6 is, I am opening it for you. Keep your excitement intact. This is a water storage bottle, you can tell, or you can tell a bag. This material, right, has a wide opening, so maybe you can store cereals and such things also. This has a capacity of 10 liters. I find it very innovative because you can carry your own clean water everywhere, up to 10 liters, which you can use for drinking, washing, or all other purpose. You have your own water with you wherever you go. So let us see how it is there available in Amazon.
An innovative product. I found it very innovative because normally I do not drink cold water. I use normal water or maybe warm water. So in that case, anyway, this becomes normal or warm depending on the sunlight that there is there. And the advantage of this kind of a product is that you can have your own clean water anywhere wherever you go. So and you can see 10 liters is sufficient water, so you can use your own water, purified water, anywhere wherever you are going, and 10 liters is quite a good storage which I found. And this is at a very competitive cost. You can see rupees 249. So I recommend this product. This is a good product, innovative product. You can try it. It can be very handy or useful at times wherever you are outdoors, you can have your own clean water with you. 10 liters actually is sufficient for wash also.
So, guys, this is the 10-liter water storage. I filled it while you were looking at Amazon. So now you can see it's very heavy, but it fills a lot of water for you. Now we'll keep it aside and take you further in this journey where we will be reaching to number 5 product. So the number 5 product in the most innovative products available in Amazon India is the telescopic stool. The name itself is scientific. I will open it for you. This is a retractable stool. Now you can see it's very portable. You can carry, there is a belt to carry. You can carry it anywhere if you want. Plus, these are the 2 points. You have to stretch them like this, and you have a product ready for you. I'd like to show you again. I can set it, and it claims 130 kg of capacity. It seems very strong. Now we would see how it looks in Amazon and what are its specifications.
The foldable height adjusting telescopic stool. This is a innovative product. As you can see, this is very useful because of its portability. It is very compact, very easy to carry, and they are giving an handle also to carry this, and the height is also adjustable. It costs around rupees 669, but again the same product is sold by different sellers at different prices. If you can see here, it is 999, the same product sold by another seller. I would like to share my experience that most of the times these Chinese products are same and sold by different sellers in India at different prices. This is my experience. Your experiences may differ, but this is what I have found. So you have to be careful about the product. It is the same product sold at different prices by different seller, and this is again different sellers claim a little bit of here or there description, but more or less it is the same product. Some may tell that it can sustain this much weight, some may tell more, some may tell less, but the product remains the same, the foldable telescope stool. So beware of these things, and I would wish you happy purchase of this product. I have tried it out, very portable. We can have it anywhere and sit around, take it with us anywhere on the go.
So now you saw this, it's very useful. You can carry yourself specifically in the long queues that you find in India, queue everywhere. You can just take this with you and sit in the queue. Now we come to the number 5 product. This is an innovative face wash. Yes, you may tell what is innovative in face wash, but this is a face wash without water. Yes, you heard it right. This face wash, you can use it without water anywhere. I just spray, I just rub it, and I just wipe it, and my face is clean. I feel fresh.
So waterless face wash, just spray, rub and wipe, removes excess oil and dirt and gives instant freshness. This product costs around rupees 348, and this is a non-returnable product. If you would like to know about this, so you will have to take care before buying it. It is a non-returnable product. No water is needed in this. Freshness follows you as they claim. So this is something which you can use on the go, portable, wherever you are. You can wash your face. You don't need to have water. Just wipe it out, and your face is as clean as good to go.
Now, with a clean face, we would be moving forward towards a clean air. Yes. Now, at number 3, we have this Batista Instant Air Refresher. This is air shampoo, dry air shampoo without water, and this is a UK based product available in India through Amazon. So you have to take this again, like you have to spray and you have to rub and you have to wipe it out. So you will have a clean hair. So this product we will again see in Amazon India.
Was actually came across this shampoo, Batiste dry shampoo first, and then I explored further and found out the dry face wash also. So this was the first product I came across. This is an internationally acclaimed product. So this was basically a UK based product. So it costs around rupees 379, available in India through Amazon. And this is again like face wash. You just have to apply it and then you are good to go again. So you can see basically they have also drawn instructions on the bottle itself also. There is a spray bottle, you spray it on your hair and then you rub it off and your hair is as clean as good to go. So this is a product which you can try it out again. This is a non returnable product, so please take care before ordering this.
Now, with clean face and clean air, we are all excited towards moving product number 2, the most innovative number product 2 in Amazon India. So this is a stationary item with multiple functions. So you don't have to carry a stapler or pin remover or a cutter, etc., etc. All is available in this one thing. So you see, if I push, this becomes a stapler. If I remove, here there is a cutter, and of course here if I push like this, the scissor comes out, and I have to do like this to cut anything with the scissor. There is a sharpener here, there is a pen stand, and of course there is a pin remover, and of course there is also a measure tape to measure things, and lot of innovative thing. This everything is there in this one little thing. So let us see how it looks in Amazon.
Now, this stationery product is innovative, but it has been there for some time. Again, it is available at 699, but sold by different sellers at different prices. If you can see here, you may find another price for the similar product. So here it is 693, and then you may find this at 653. So depends on the seller, which kind of seller you are going to go for it. Again, this product, you have a lot of innovation. In just one product you will be able to find lot of things, like there is a, this is a scissor, then there is, again you can use it as a pen stand, then there is a pin remover, then there is a cutter you can see, then there is a stapler that you can see, there is a pencil sharpener available inside, carton opener. So a lot of things are there, and this used to be around 250 300 rupees before a year or so. Now the demand has surged, maybe the prices have gone three times of the similar product. So there is also measure tape in this. So this is again innovative product which you can try it out, and this is available on Amazon if you want it.
So guys, excited? Now we are coming to the number 1 innovative product. Why I ranked this product number 1 is because I was just excited to know about this product, as I always prefer to have a warm cooked food than processed food. So I was too excited to know about this Insta Hot product. This is a food heater, and all you have to do is just pour water in this, and it becomes warm up to 45 degrees or more. So I'm just unpacking in front of you, and here we get pouch, 5 pouches in one packet. We are getting around 5 pouches in one packet. So these are all 5 pouches. Plus, you are getting a paper cup and dish, and of course spoons. So everything is covered here. There are plastic bags to cook food. So everything is covered here. You just have to pour water and cook your food. Let us see in Amazon. We'll also see the video, merchant video, and I'm sure you will be excited about this.
So guys, this Insta Hot flameless food heater, why I chose this as number one, there are a lot of reasons. First of all, this is a great innovation because you just put the water in it and you can just cook it out anything. And I just like to eat fresh and warm, so I do not like the packet food. So people like me, for them this is something like a life giving thing. And again, this is at a pretty reasonable price of rupees 325. And the third important thing is this is a 7 days returnable product, so you can return it if you are not satisfied with this product. So these are the reasons, and again you can just go through the video of the seller. You will understand the product completely and find the innovation yourself.
What's it like to have a flameless food heater all the time? Meet InstaHot, a product designed to cook food on the go. You can use it to make a variety of food products. Let me quickly show you how to make poha with it. You can make chai too. Noodles as well. InstaHot comes with this kit, which also includes a disposable bag. InstaHot. It's time to switch to new ways.
Wow, this is just great.
Excited? I was so much excited to know about this product and share it with you. I hope you are also excited in knowing them. Keep me inspired by liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. And of course, these are no innovative products, these are my own personal innovations, my kids, right? So, guys, help me out again in commenting and telling how you felt about this product. And if at all you happen to buy it and use it, please share your experiences for benefit of others. Happy buying, happy purchasing, happy shopping. Let us meet next time with better review. Let us make our world better and sound decisions while purchasing the products. Thank you once again for being with me.